YouTube, what's going on, man? We just starting the day. I'm lying. We've been started the day. We had like 6 dabs. We got the hash right here. We got Jedi here. Jana's with us. It's UFC. Woo, baby! We're barbecuing and we're watching all the fights together. Plus, I'm gonna be kicking some people's ass in UFC on Xbox as well. This guy in front of me. We're going to the grocery store. Let's do this. Oh, damn. Modelo time going down. Okay, we just got back from the grocery store. You know we had to get more Girl Scout cookies. They are out in force. They're out in force every damn grocery store you're at. But we got some meat, baby, and some stuff to make some salsa. We got a homemade recipe. We're gonna make some salsa, make some tacos, watch some fights. The fight's starting a little bit. It's time to get going. We gotta set the sex box up too. All right, here's a full loadout. We got the asada. We got supplies for an easy salsa verde. We got some corn and some flour tortillas. We got Tadao, Jedi, and hash. Setting up the Xbox. We got some fights on. Jana's eating muffins.
Muffies.
Muffy gang. Let's go. All right, so this is the simple recipe that we're rocking with. Suggested by Jedi. Let's go. Ignore all the ads on there. This thing has like 45 ads. Well, basically what we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna start marinating the meat. So we're gonna mix all the spices, the beer, and put it in a bag together, let it marinate for a couple hours, and then play some games and smoke some hash, cook some tacos in a few hours. Sheesh.
Probably watch Tim's videos and like, look at this guy can't use a knife.
We're just adding some spices into the bowl right here. This is where we'll add beer, spices, freshly minced up garlic. Let's go. This is the chili powder. We're basically gonna just double up everything that it says in here. Garlic I'm getting from my guy right here. Cumin, it says half, so we'll go whole. Ooh, chunky, shit. Can't go wrong with a little extra flavor. Oh shit, that chili powder just fucking went to my eyes. Do we want 2? We want 2. We're not bitches. 2. And then we need salt and pepper. And then beer. Salt and pepper, how much salt and pepper? All of it. It's already ground. And then the pepper too. This pepper shit is the worst. I need a new pepper grinder. This thing is absolutely garbage. We'll show you the steaks in a second. Let's go. Oh, that's how you fucking do it. Yeah. Half. We're just gonna throw them in here, and then we're gonna toss the marinade in there and throw them in the fridge for a couple hours. Pretty easy. Nothing too crazy going on here. Oh man, these look perfect for the grill, dude. These are gonna cook up so quick too. Just a couple minutes on there, nice and thin. All right, we got these all loaded up. These trash knives. We got KOs going on in the background. Okay, let's toss them in here, yeah. And we might need to make some more of this. I think we're gonna need to make more because this only looks like enough for one. Yeah, we're gonna make another batch. Yeah. We're going another batch. I don't want to skimp on the marinade, so if you look like you're short, just make more. What the? All right, we're pouring in the marinade for the second bag right here. Oh man, sound of beauty. So that's gonna go and rest for 2 hours minimum. In a perfect world, you let it rest overnight, but 2 hours is at least 2 hours. Got a little competition going down right here. Losers chugging the Modelo. I'm just kidding.
Damn, we suck.
Oh!
Yes!
Oh, Dana got one.
Oh,
Mitchell got one too. Let's go. Oh, she needs one more. Distress.
Yes!
Oh, GG's. Good job, babe.
I won.
Just like the cousin of a tomato. It's kind of sticky. I don't know if I've ever peeled. This might be the first tomato I've ever peeled in my life.
It probably is.
I don't know if there's technique or not, but my technique feels mid. What's the difference between these and normal tomatoes, Jada?
They're probably more acidic.
Sticky,
super
bro.
sticky.
What the fuck are these?
Yeah, they're super sticky. They're a little more acidic.
And we're tossing some chilies in. This is going to be the prep for the salsa. No, I haven't got new dishes yet, so fuck you. But they're coming. I'm going to get them. So we're gonna do about 5 chilies in here. Taking the stems off. What's the name of these chilies?
Chile del árbol.
Ooh, he said it all nice too. Damn.
Chili from the tree.
Yep.
It's called the chosen tree.
Our goal is tree.
Yeah. chili tree.
Chili tree.
Tree chili.
I thought you said the chosen tree. I was like, man, what is this? This is some godly shit right here. Come on.
Stuff.
Now we just add in the tomatoes and the garlic, right? And then just let it boil.
Let it boil.
Let it do its thing. I like learning, man. This is awesome. Let alone a comment on a recipe, man. This is come make it at my house recipe. That's what I'm talking about. So we got them. They're all nice and soft. All the tomatillos, chilies. We're going to save a little bit of the water. All right, what do I do with this? Put it back in the pot or the blender?
Blender.
Oh, damn, the salsa verde, baby. First fight's on two. Let's go. All right, so now we'll just put this away until we're ready to make these tacos, dude. Yeah, and that shit looks perfect, low-key. That's awesome. All right, everybody's chilling, watching fights. Marinated meat's coming out. We're gonna turn the barbecue on, and the salsa is so spicy, guys. Holy shit. All right, it's a couple hours later. They're still playing this. The marinated meat is ready to go. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells phenomenal. My man Jedi did an amazing job. Unreal. Time to throw it on the grill. Let's get to work, man. On the grill, not in the dad 5000s. It's tough out here. But we finally got it on the grill. It's maxed out, to say the least. This is a bit of meat. You know, if you're hungry, pull up. Address not in the description. But we get the meat going. Looks good. Today I was definitely super hungry. Update as soon as it's done. Oh my god, it smells so good. Let me just keep these up on here too, yeah? I don't know how many you can fit. Yeah, look at these, dude. Those are nice. Gotta go. Oh, yeah, dude. Rock those out. Those are looking special. Oh.
Aww.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers.
Thanks for coming over. Fuck yeah. What do you think you're at the top?
I'm saying like 10 out of 10 too.
Yeah, he's
They
so
couldn't have
funny.
been any better.
Yeah, Action Bronson over here is dying. Jesus Christ. Tacos, I said an 8 out of 10. The salsa is amazing. I think the salsa was the best part. The meat was fucking fire too, though. Would do again. Would do again.
Leftover salsa.
Oh my god, so much salsa. Let's go, baby. Alright, we're watching the pay-per-view. We got a couple UFC games going down. Got the cute little lady over there chilling. Got this dog. Got a dog. Bunch of hash too. Let's go.
Don't touch my titties, Cyril. Didn't even look like he had him in a big clench. He was just putting his weight on him. And then he fucking had him he was so fast.
No.
Dude, DC's all pissed.
The sign of a good YouTube upload. Shout out to everybody that followed on Twitch, man. You guys are lit. Let's go. Speaking of Twitch, we're going to go live right now and play some Apex, man. Let's continue this vlog with some dubs. You guys enjoyed this video, you guys know what to do, man. I tell you all the time, like, subscribe if you want to. But more importantly, man, drink some water. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.